Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to use DasherDirect virtual card. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So first and foremost, ensure that your virtual card is set up and activated correctly through the latest version of the DasherDirect mobile app. Sign into your account within the app and navigate to the More option located at the bottom right corner of the screen, denoted by 3 lines. Once in the More section, you'll find the Manage Card category. Within the Manage Card, you can view your virtual card details, copy them, and comments using the card. In case you encounter a scenario where, as indicated in the screenshot, there's no option to view the virtual card, you cannot find the details. You may need to contact DasherDirect customer support, update the app, or re-verify your card. However, as long as you possess the physical card on your account and your account is properly validated, the option to view your virtual card will automatically appear. Upon selecting View Virtual Card, you'll be presented with a screen displaying your DasherDirect virtual card details, including a card number, expiration date, and security code, and the name printed on the card. You can copy these details at any time from this page. Armed with this information, you can initiate using your DasherDirect virtual card on any online store or retailer that accepts credit or debit cards as a payment method. Now, whether you choose to copy the card details for manual input during the checkout or link the card to a digital wallet, the process is seamless. So if you opt for digital wallet, open the preferred one, tap the plus sign, and input the card details to facilitate contactless payments wherever Apple Pay or Google Pay is accepted. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.